Yo. Just got the first order. We're going to Voodoo Donut. $8 going 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. This is not going to be ready, I already know. But we've got a Carl's Jr. $7 going 3 miles. Thank you. Just got the next order. This is going to be for McDonald's. $7 going 3.5 miles. $6.67.
You're here for the DoorDash?
Yes.
6DF.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11 going just under 6 miles. Only one item. Why are these so expensive? What the? It's like 17 bucks for one thing of eye drops.
Well.
Never been here before, so how do I get inside? Oh, that's a chilly wind.
Going up. Going down.
Next order just came in. We've got a Chick-fil-A. This is going to be $14 going 7 miles. Yep, close enough. Thank you.
My pleasure.
This next order, we've got an alcohol pickup. This is $9 going 5 miles.
Boom! Awesome. Box right here, straight on down, out the right. You have a safe trip.
Thank you. And then just a scribble in that box for me. Head into Safeway for a shop and deliver. This one's going to be $10 going 2 miles, 4 items. White Jeep parked in front of house. That doesn't look white to me at all. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Target. $10 going 3 miles, only one item.
free to choose as you like. I'm gonna pop this case for you. I'll be right with you, sir.
Sure.
Thanks for your patience. To both of yous. Alright. You said these ones here? See you again soon.
Next order up, we've got a Taco Bell. This one's $8, going 1.5 miles.
Let me see if that will be ready. Alright, I'll see you out the window. The drink will be ready in just a moment. Here's that box.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Just got the next order. This one I don't think is going to be ready because I got it as soon as I got to the light for it. But we've got a Noodles and Company, $8 and some change, going 3 miles. Look, gotta pick up for Jeff. Thank you. You too. That is quite a bit of food as well. Pleasantly surprised. There you are. Thank you. Have a good one. I've got a banging headache, so I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 11:17. Current total, we are at 76. And it looks like I have 2 Uber tips that I'm waiting on. So that should bring it up to around 89, maybe 90. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.